The ABCD classification method is a widely used technique for managing and measuring instruments in industries like manufacturing and quality control. Traditionally, this method categorizes instruments based on their frequency of use and importance. However, this basic approach doesn't always provide the most accurate picture for effective decision making. A more scientific and efficient approach to the ABCD classification method involves a deeper analysis of an instrument's performance, accuracy, and maintenance history. By using data driven insights, organizations can ensure that high priority instruments are maintained more frequently, while less critical instruments are serviced on a more flexible schedule. This modernized method helps businesses prioritize resources, reduce downtime, and improve the overall reliability of their equipment. It leads to smarter maintenance strategies and minimizes unnecessary costs, ultimately boosting productivity. The enhanced ABCD classification system is key to making more informed strategic decisions that enhance the performance of instruments over time. Adopting this improved approach doesn't just streamline operations, it ensures that every instrument is treated according to its specific role, increasing long term operational efficiency and lowering maintenance risks.